Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jay from Jay's Multi-Channel coming with another tip for you guys. Today, I'm working on a 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse 3.8 liter engine, and we're doing an alternator, and I didn't see any videos on this, so I decided just to help someone else that may be going through this. This is the tensioner, and it's no spring loaded. It's actually a bolt here. If you can see it underneath this tensioner. You see that bolt? You loosen it, and this tensioner rises up enough to slip the belt off. And as you can see, it moves like this, up and down. So when I put the belt on, I put it back on, and then I tighten this belt back towards the right. I loosen it going to the left. So once you loosen that to the left, you'll get enough clearance to slip the belt off. Then you put the new one back on and just tighten it back to the right until it's snug. So hopefully this helps somebody else, because I took a whole hour just trying to figure that out. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll come to you with more videos. Peace.